Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Pramila Channa, lecturer zoology from Government Girls Degree College, Moro. Dear students, today I am going to deliver a lecture about virus. Contents of today's lecture: virus, discovery of virus, general characteristics of virus, structure of virus, classification on the basis of host, classification on the basis of morphology, classification on the basis of genetic material, DNA virus, RNA virus. Discovery of virus. In 1892, a Ivanowski discovered the virus could be transmitted from an infected person or infected organisms to the healthy organism. In 19, similar disease-producing substances have been discovered in many organisms. The substance given name as a filter feeder. In 1935, discovery about the behavior of virus and how it caused disease are mentioned. Virus. The word virus are taken from a Latin word venom. It means poison. Virus is a non-cellular organism. It is the smallest and most primitive structure on the earth. It contains DNA and RNA as a genetic material. It produced by replication. General characteristics of virus. Virus is an obligate parasite because why? Because it never grow and reproduce outside the host cell. Virus has a dual characteristics, like within the host it is living, without host it become non-living like a crystal form. Virus measure about 20 to 250 nanometer in size. Virus can only be studied by means of electron microscope. The study of virus is known as virology. Virus is a non-considered free living since they cannot reproduce outside of living cell. Virus is acellular. Then why studied in biology? Because it is acellular, but it is able to reproduce, and they reproduce by the replication because of genetic material DNA and RNA present. Therefore, studied in a biology. Structure of virus. Virus consists of different parts: viral genome, capsid, viral envelope, tail fibers. All these parts showing this figure, like this part is known as capsid. This region, all region is known as head. In head region, inside the nucleic acid is present. It means DNA or RNA is present. This region is known as collar. This region is known as sheath. This one is a base plate, and these are the tail fiber, and these are the spikes of tail fiber. Now the viral genome. It is the inner part of the nucleic acid DNA or RNA that it are showing in here. That is viral genome. What do you mean by viral genome? It means it consists of DNA or RNA. That is known as viral genome. That is viral genome. Here that is viral genome, and this one is a viral genome that are showing in the different all these figures. Capsid, outer protein coat of virus is known as capsid, and that is made up of capsomer protein molecules, and that is capsid. That is outer covering, and these outer covering, that is outer covering. This outer covering is made up of protein, capsid. Now the viral envelope. These are the membranous covering around the capsid. That is known as viral envelope. It is found in some viruses and help them to infect their host. That is known as viral envelope. Tail fiber. At the posterior end of tail, some fiber-like structure are present. That is known as tail fiber, and these tail fiber showing this figure. Classification on the basis of host. Virus is classified into different categories, but here only mention 3 categories according to the first year syllabus. Animal virus. It means those virus which affect or infect any animal, that is known as animal virus. Plant virus. Those virus which infect or affect the plants and their host is plant, that is known as plant virus. Bacteriophage virus. It means those virus their host is bacteria, that is known as bacteriophage virus. Here this one, that is tobacco mosaic virus, that is plant virus, they affect the tobacco, there it is a plant virus. This is spherical in a shape, that is influenza virus, that is an animal virus or human being virus, that is bacteriophage virus, and that is host is bacteria. These are example of that all viruses. Classification on the basis of morphology, they are divided into three categories. Rod shaped virus, their best known example is TMV, tobacco mosaic virus, that is a rod shaped virus. Spherical virus, that is best known example is poliovirus, but here is showing the influenza virus. Tadpole virus, their example is bacteriophage virus, and here is showing. DNA virus, virus have a DNA, its genetic material, that is known as DNA virus. These are following types. Small genome DNA virus is also known as, example is parvovirus. DNA virus is a small genome. Some of them have a single strand DNA virus, other have a double strand DNA. They are about 20 nanometer to 250 nanometer in size. They infect animals, causing viral hepatitis in a rat in a man. Medium genome DNA virus, their examples is the herpes virus. One of the major group of large genome double-strand DNA virus, they cause herpes, shingles, cancer, and pox in human beings. And bacteriophage virus, a long DNA molecule is coiled with a head. They infect bacteria only, that is known as bacteriophage virus. RNA virus, virus have a RNA, its main constitute their genetic material, that is known as RNA virus. These are following types: unenveloped plus strand RNA virus. Polio and a rhinovirus, that is unenveloped plus strand RNA virus. Example, they are called plus strand virus. Why? Because they act as a directly a messenger RNA. After infecting host cell, attach to the host ribosomes and being translated, therefore is known as unenveloped plus strand RNA virus. They lack envelope, therefore it is unenveloped. They infect plants and bacteria, causing polio and a cold in human beings also. Envelope plus strand RNA virus, their example is hepatitis A and a C virus. They have envelope plus strand virus, all which parasites animals are different from the members of the preceding group by their lipid-rich envelope. They infect arthropods and vertebrates, causing leukemia and a yellow fever in human beings. Minus strand RNA virus, their examples are rhabdovirus and pox virus. Minus strand RNA virus are different from plus strand RNA virus because they carry the RNA strand complementary to messenger RNA. They infect plants and animals, causing flu, mumps, rabies in human beings. Double strand RNA virus, their example is reovirus. These are double strand isohedral RNA virus. They infect plant, animal also. They cause chloroid tick fever in human beings. This flow chart shows the classification on the basis of genetic material and a different basis classification showing host based the three basic types: animal virus, plant virus, bacteriophage virus. Morphology based rod shaped virus, spherical virus, tadpole virus. On the basis of genetic material, DNA and RNA virus, they all are showing this flow chart. Thanks to all. Please share your comments or feedback.